Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Erorr 9002 in League of Legends. So this is a exploit protection not being enabled on your system. Here's how you check it. You have to enable secure boot and TPM 2.0. So the first thing you want to do is go to search, type in run, type in msinfo32. Once it opens, you want to look for secure boot state, and if it says on, then you're fine. If it is off, you have to enable it in BIOS. Also, you want to look for your baseboard product. For me, it's a B450 Gaming Pro. And you want to copy this, exit out of this, go to Google, go to YouTube, and you want to paste your motherboard, B450 for me, and then type in TPM 2.0. And the video will pop up. I will show you now my video. And then I'll show you how to enable secure boot also.
TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC. And then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to security tab. Click on trusted computing and then security device support, enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to save, click on save and save changes and reboot, and that's it.
Now if you're panicking and your motherboard is like super old, or like your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy like a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is like, I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress. And then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy like a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is like, look for one which is like the same. It says like for ASUS, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy like that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it like fits and it works properly. And the last thing you want to do is go to search, type in Windows security settings till you find this, open it. You want to click app and browser control. It will pop up a window. You want to click the last one, exploit protection, and then click here, the first thing, the manage settings. And then you have to, if this is enabled, you can disable it and then just see if that helps. Or if it's disabled, you have to enable it and then restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Erorr 9002 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.